To use the full features of Cash App, including buying and selling Bitcoin, you need to verify your account. Verifying your Cash App account is a straightforward process that requires some basic information. First, open Cash App on your device and navigate to the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile. Next, find the support option and tap on it. This will bring up a list of options, including verifying your account. Select Verify Account from the list. You will be asked to provide your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure to enter this information accurately, as it will be used to verify your identity. After submitting your information, you may be asked to provide a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Take a clear photo of your ID and upload it to the app. Once you have submitted all the required information, Cash App will review your application. This process can take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the volume of requests. After your account is verified, you can enable Bitcoin on Cash App. To do this, go back to the profile icon and select Bitcoin. If you do not see the Bitcoin option, you may need to update your app or contact support. To verify Cash App Bitcoin, you need to have a verified account and have enabled Bitcoin. With these steps, you can buy, sell, and transfer Bitcoin on Cash App. Make sure to follow best practices for security and only invest what you can afford to lose. Verifying your Cash App account and enabling Bitcoin provides access to a range of features and services, including investing in cryptocurrency and transferring funds. Remember to always follow security guidelines and use strong passwords to protect your account.